Yes, have you heard about reading before or redirect? Yes, a lot of people, you notice that some of your friends, anytime they go live or on a live stream, they have number of people on their live stream. They have 100, 250 on a live stream. But anytime you go live, you'll be seeing one, two, or probably three. Or maybe the ones you are seeing are your supporting channels just to support your live stream. Are you tired of that? I'm going to show you a way that your friend can help you to direct his or her traffic in their live stream to your own live stream without sharing any link. Yeah, are you ready for that? Okay, I'm going to show you step by step on how you're going to go about it, and also the some of the buttons or settings you need to put in place in your studio. So let's go there. So it's possible for you to do that. Maybe if you have two phones, you can do it while you are on a live stream. But if you don't have double phone or have a laptop to support the phone you're using to go on a live stream, you can schedule it ahead of time and also schedule with your friends. Maybe you are going to go live by so time, and you're going to stay like 1 hour or 2 hours, and you know that you always have traffic in your live stream. So you're going to agree with your friend. They're going to go do two hours, and then after 2 hours he or she will also schedule theirs, so that immediately yours ends, hers or his will start up immediately. And then I'm going to show you in the studio how you can do that and select and direct your traffic to your friends. So here we head to our studio, click on settings, and from settings it will take us to community. We click on community, and when we head to community, you will see where it says all channels can redirect to my content, and from there you can click on it, and with that you have set it for your audience to, your friends, your any of your friends to, direct their audience to you. Then you save. Me, I've already saved, that's why I just cancel it. So after you have finished turning it on, you head to your dashboard and then go over to your live. And then when you click on live, you can see it's either you are on a live current live on stream, or you should do your live stream. So here I was on a live stream, so I click on the live stream. Then when you click on it, you will see this interface. It says customization. You click on that customization, and when you click it, this one will show. And when it comes up, it will ask you, you will see where you are to add. Redirect allows you to add. You now add. Here, you are to click on search videos from other content, not from your own videos. So all these people here, they are the ones that they've already turned on their redirect. So anytime that somebody wants to rate them, they can comfortably see them. So here you see those that have upcoming and those that are live. Those ones right there are the ones live. The upcomings are the ones that they schedule their own. So here I was looking for my friend because the day I recorded this video, I wanted to rate to her, but she didn't turn hers on. And because of that, so I have to pick any random person that is on a live stream so that I can practice this reading. So I picked one of the videos, and then when you picked, it will go back. You see it has already added in that redirect. All you need to do after that is to just click save, and that's it. When your own ends, their own starts. So now that you have seen it, don't allow that your friend that doesn't have views or have people to watch their live stream to just be on a live stream and nothing is happening. So help someone so that you can be helped in the future. Yes, it's good to help, and it's good to be a blessing in the life of others. Yes. And so if you have watched up until this time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to watch my videos. And if you're watching, please watch to the end. And also put on your notification bell so that anytime I go on live, you will be notified. Okay? Love you guys. Mwah.
Ciao, ciao.